Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to create cards and add information by sending email. And in order to start that process, we're going to go inside of one of our boards. We're then going to click Show Menu. That's going to bring us to this board menu and we're going to click More. And then we're going to click Email to Board Settings. Once we click Email to Board Settings, what we can do is we can actually email ourselves the address that we're going to be able to use for the board in order to create email into cards. So we may want to do that first. We're going to click Email me this address, and then the address will then be sent to our address on file with Trello. And when we open up our email box, we can click into this email. And then we have an email that will tell us what email address we can use in order to create cards by sending an email to Trello. So now that we have this email address, we're going to copy this entire address. We're going to copy it. We're going to click Compose on our email. We're going to put the email address in the To field. Now we're going to want to take note of the next few steps. Now the subject of our email will become the card's title. So when we write in the subject, we know that this will be the title we see on the front of the card. Now the body of the card will become the card's description. So we'll write in this information knowing that it will be part of the card's description when we turn it over. If we want to add attachments to the email, those attachments will be part of our card. We still need to make sure that we are mindful of the 10 megabyte limit. And now that we have all of our pertinent information, we're going to click Send. Now the card will then become part of our to-do list. So one thing that we can do is we can actually move this card. We can do that by clicking this pen, and then we can click the Move command. Then we can actually choose the board, and then we can actually choose the particular list. And then we can determine which position. And then we can click Move. We can then begin the categorization process with this particular email. Now each card also has its own address, and we can send comments to that card by email. For example, we can click into one particular card, we can click Share and More, and then you'll find an email address for this particular card. We'll go ahead and copy this email address, and we'll go back to our email sending program. We're going to write in the address. We're going to write in a subject. Once we have that information in, we'll then click Send. What will happen in real time in a few minutes is you'll see then that there's the comment icon on this particular card where we had the address. If we click inside of that card, you'll notice that we have our comment, it has a title, and it has our verbiage in there. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.